Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the PNG glitches. We're going to talk all about the do's and the don'ts, and I'm going to walk you all through step by step how I did my transactions on Saturday. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded one video earlier today. I know that YouTube can be a little bit weird whenever I upload multiple videos. Sometimes all the notifications don't get sent out. So, in that video, I'll go over tons of crazy deals, coupon matchups, and I even share a little story time with you guys. So go check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into these PNG spin deals. Now, as a lot of you all saw last Saturday, I did upload 2 videos talking about run glitch deals, and they were absolutely on fire. However, this is DG that we're talking about, and as per usual, DG had to throw some more craziness on top of the already crazy weekend that we were having with the clearance event, PNG spin deals, 10 off of 1001s, 3 off of 301s, sales. We had a 10 off 40 and a 5 off 25, paper and digital. I mean, they threw it at us, and then to top it all off, on Saturday, they decided to update the app. And I'm not even sure why, because this week the app is right back to normal. Everything looks exactly the same. So I'm not quite sure what they were trying to do, but it threw a wrench in a lot of people's plans, and I know that a lot of people missed out on the deals. Luckily for us, we do have another chance to stack our spend PNG coupons with our 5 off 25s this Saturday. So that is why I wanted to put this video together to show you guys everything that I learned last weekend and kind of wrap it all up into one video for you. Now, I also want to go ahead and point out, for those of you who do want to go back and watch those videos, all the information in those videos is still good for this week. So in the first video that I uploaded on Saturday, I went in and did a transaction using a 10 off 40 DG store coupon and a spend 40 PNG coupon. Now, granted, this weekend we do not have the 10 off 40, so the deals will be a little bit different, but I still think we are going to come out with some amazing deals. So here's a look at the first transaction that I did get back the 10 off of a 1001 purchase coupon, so that made it completely free plus a money maker. All right. Now, the second transaction that I did on the same exact account, I did a gain deal. All right. I picked up $30 worth of gain product. I stacked it with my 5 off 25. Plus, I was able to use my 10 off of a 1001 purchase PNG coupon. So that left me paying about $3 for $30 worth of gain product, which was amazing. Now, I believe a lot of people were getting confused between the PNG spend coupons and the PNG purchase coupons. So that's how we're going to differentiate the two in this video. When I'm talking about the spend coupons, that is the one that you initially receive. Once you do that spend deal, then you're going to get a PNG purchase coupon. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these spend coupons. Now, you may have one of these on your account, or you may have 2 of these on your account. You may have 3 of these on your account. I've been hearing all kinds of craziness, but you should have at least one. We have the spend 40, get back 10, spend 30, get back 8, spend 20, get back 5, and a spend 10, get back 3. Now, the PNG spend coupon is glitching because we do not have to pay the stated amount out of pocket after coupons are applied. So basically, it's glitching, and it's working like a 5 off 25. So you build your transaction up to the stated amount, and then you can subtract all of your coupons off, get you a low out of pocket, and then you should still receive your PNG purchase coupon. So if you have a spend 40, you're going to get back this coupon right here. Save $10 off of your next purchase of 1001 or more. So this is what the PNG purchase coupons look like. Now, keep in mind that these PNG purchase coupons are digital coupons. They are not going to print on the bottom of your receipt. They are going to show up on your account as a clipped coupon in your saved deals folder. Now, hopefully everybody's listening, because the PNG purchase coupons are also glitching. Not the PNG spend coupons. We're talking about the PNG purchase coupons right now. So the one you receive back. Those are also glitching because they are not only working on the P&G products, they are working on all of the products in Dollar General. But there is a catch, and this is tricky, so please listen up. The amount of that coupon is only coming off of one item. It doesn't give you overage. It does not apply to 2 products. It's only coming off of one item, and that item is the last item that you ring up in your transaction. So here's an example. I went in to pick up a bag of cat food, which was about $8, and 2 frozen pizzas, which were $4 each. When we rang up my items, the pizza was the last item to be rang up. My $10 coupon did come off and apply. However, it only took off $3.99, making that pizza just 1 penny. It didn't apply to the other items or anything like that, so I did not get the full $10 off. Now, things may have very well changed since Saturday. However, when I go to use my purchase coupons, I'm going to make sure that the last item that I ring up is my most expensive item, because the only thing that I have left on my accounts is a spend 30, get back 8. So I need to make sure that that last item that I ring up is over $8. All right, now let's talk about what's going to happen with Saturday and the 5 off 25s, because this week we don't have those 10 off 40, so it's going to be a little bit different, but we still have some really fantastic deals, and of course I will have those uploaded for you first thing tomorrow morning, so make sure that y'all stay tuned. Now, I'm sorry, but I know that a lot of people get their scenarios from Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And like I said, I'm sorry, but if you do that, especially if you are a new couponer, you are going to run into issues at one point or another, because even though I'm sure all of those people posting have good intentions, it is almost impossible to fit all of these details into one post or one quick little video. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned, and if you skip through my videos, I don't know what to tell you. The deals are in the details, so you have to pay attention. So first things first, let's talk about the gain coupon. This 5 off 30 gain coupon does not stack with the P&G spend coupon. I have tried it twice with no success. So if you guys try that, do that at your own risk and be prepared for it not to work. Now, the good news is that the P&G spend coupons do stack, and they do work with the 5 off 25s. Now, I am going to say you guys need to swing by Dollar General if you haven't been there already, and make sure that you have a few paper 5 off $25 coupons for this Saturday. That way you can go into the store, do your P&G spend deal, stack that with a 5 off 25, and then you can turn right around and stack your 5 off 25 with your P&G purchase coupon. All right, now we're all going to cross our fingers, and hopefully DG won't be messing with the app on us this Saturday, and hopefully we can all get in on some really amazing deals. Now, things will be a little bit different from last Saturday because we don't have the 10 off 40 and we don't have the, the clearance event items, but we still have some really fantastic deals, so make sure that y'all stay tuned. And I'm also going to ask you guys to please check the pinned comment of this video, and that way, if I have forgotten anything or if I've left out any details, or maybe somebody asks a really good question and I think that's important information that everybody should know, I will always include that information in the pinned comment. So check that out. Make sure that you stay tuned because I'll have some amazing 5 off 25s coming up next. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.